What up world, it's your homeboy Wordplay TJ and I'm back with another video for you. This time around I'm gonna fix a previous video about how to claim your Spotify artist account and get verified on Spotify. Stay tuned. Alright, so I had a lot of conversations and complaints about the Spotify artist account video that I made a long time ago, and I took that feedback, and what I did is wanted to rework that video for you to understand what I mean when I say you can claim your Spotify artist account. So the first thing in this process when claiming your Spotify artist account is that you actually have to distribute your music via like DistroKid, TuneCore, CD Baby, someone like that to Spotify. Your music has to be distributed to Spotify in order to get a Spotify artist account. Once you have your music distributed, you also have to make sure that you have a unique stage name. One problem that I saw with a lot of artists that were in the comment section is that they would go and they try to register their name, but their name would be taken by somebody else. Then their project got mixed in with somebody else's catalog. It's really important when picking your stage name, and I say this within my series, when picking your stage name, you pick something unique and something that stands out from everybody else. I had this problem early on in my career, so I warn you all to fix it, and fix it now before it's too late. And don't just think about the United States when thinking about your stage name. Think about Europe, think about all these other places around the world that could possibly have an artist with your name. If you have an issue with your stage name and you need your music separated from another artist, you can often talk to your distributor's support team and they will help unlink your music from another artist. CD Baby has done this for me, DistroKid has done this for me, TuneCore has done this for me, and so they're really flexible with allowing this type of thing, but you can get ahead of it by not picking somebody else's stage name in the first place. So once you have your music distributed to Spotify, you have a unique name, and then you can head to artist.spotify.com. So once you're on artist.spotify.com, you go to claim your profile. So once you're on the claim your profile screen, you will type in your name or use a link from Spotify to get back to your music. After you find your name, you can go ahead and start the process. As a part of the process, Spotify will have you connect with your digital distribution channel and make sure your artist name and all of your catalog are synced together to the right profile. This is a crucial step in the verification process because it allows them to make sure that you're the person that is distributing this music for real. So in that case, nobody else can claim your profile unless you have the problem that I talked about earlier, which is not having a unique stage name. So for the last part, you want to fill in your personal details and connect this whole interface with your actual Spotify account. You want to log in with that information so you actually have it connected to an email address that you use for Spotify. Once you have everything connected, it will go through a verification process. Everything will get solidified. You will be verified on Spotify, and then you can log into your dashboard to see your analytics, see who's playing your music, who follows you, where they live, where they are in the world, and how you can engage with them. All of this data is really crucial, really important to building your career. So I hope it helps you make the best decisions to grow your music business. So that's it. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. I hope this cleared everything up about claiming your profile on artist.spotify.com and being verified on Spotify. I hope there's no more confusion. If there is, I'll answer your questions down in the comments below. Other than that, it's your homeboy Wordplay TJ, and until next time, peace. Alright, so I know you came to watch this channel just to see this video, just to get this problem solved. What I do urge you to do is subscribe to this channel right over there. And then there's more videos on this page right now.